around London might seem a little overwhelming at first, but actually navigating the city is way easier than you think, and we're here to show you how to do it. First up, how to know the way. CityMapper is every Londoner's best friend. The app tells you exactly how to get from A to B around London, from which transport to use, how long it will take you, and when the next tube, train or bus is due to leave from where you are. Download it for free and you're all set. If you don't have a contactless bank card, then Oyster Cards are by far the easiest way to get around London. Oyster Cards are accepted everywhere, they're 50% cheaper than your usual paper tickets, and there's a price cap, so you'll never spend more than £7 on getting around in one day. You can buy yours for a £5 deposit at most underground stations or get it delivered to you before you arrive in London. With the tubes, you simply tap in and out of the gates using your Oyster card on the yellow card readers. Please remember to do this, otherwise you will be landed with a fine. Overground trains do look a little different to the tubes, but actually they are exactly the same, just not underground. Just tap on, tap off, and you'll be charged accordingly. Other than this, just remember, download the TubeMap app for free so you have one with you at all times. Rush hour is between 7:30 and 9:30 AM and 5 and 7 PM. Stand to the right of the escalator. Check for line closures on the TfL website. CityMapper will also tell you this. Give up your priority seat to someone who needs it more. Move down inside the carriage and let people off the train before you get on. And of course, mind the gap. London buses are easy. All you have to do is tap on, and for £1.50 you can take as many journeys as you'd like within 1 hour. Then you don't even have to tap off. Just buzz the buzzer when your stop is next and walk straight off. The more environmentally friendly way to get around London is to use the Santander bikes. But we definitely recommend you stick to the quieter roads and the parks, as London's traffic can be intense. Just head to the nearest docking station, pay with a debit or credit card, enter the release code, and away you go. In some parts of London, it's actually quicker to walk than take the tube. If you're around Leicester Square, Covent Garden and Oxford Street, don't bother going underground. It's a waste of time and fresh air. I really hope that this video has come in useful and put your mind at ease when it comes to London's transport. If it has, then feel free to subscribe to our channel for more European travel guides. Bye!